everyone, this is Nobuko. I'd like to make today is omelette rice ball. Omelette rice ball is one omelette. Omelette rice is one of the Japanese very popular menu. So I'd like to today's arrangement. So today I'd like to make the omelette rice ball. So enjoy for today's cooking also. So I'd like to introduce to today's item. Okay, of course rice and a chicken, ketchup, tomato ketchup, no chili sauce, the butter, 2 egg, milk, and an onion, and salt, and a pepper, and a bit used to the oil also. So let's make the cooking. Here we go. Okay, I will cut to the onion first. So onion is please cut to the small size. Okay, so let's start to make the tomato ketchup rice. First is put into the oil. So after that, we put into chicken. This time the heat up is a low level. Please keep to like this to change the chicken, change the color. Okay, next is the onion. Heat up. So after that is put into the rice. So I put into the salt first. And a pepper. So this rice is we keep put to this small bowl. Mix and with some milk. And salt. let's make the omelette. So looks very nice. Okay, let's make to the rice bowl. First is we put into this kind of the rice bowl case in a plastic wrap. And like this to the inside. So first is I just make to the egg, slice egg. Like this to inside to here. Like this. So after that, I just put into the rice. Please careful. If too much, is a rice bowl easy to burst. So the like this. First is egg cover. And the next step is a cup wrap. Like this. And make the round. Looks so cute. Look like the minion. Okay, alright, like this. So keep in the file. Okay, alright, that's finished. Wow, looks so cute. And this is an omelette rice bowl. So I think the kids also like it. And this menu is looks so fun and good to the party menu and enjoy to the lunchtime in the lunchbox also. So I hope to enjoy to this omelette rice bowl. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.